Okay, the following steps will be only for the Windows 10 users. Windows 8 will have a different lookout. Means they may not see it exactly the same, but other operating systems may not have to do it. So this is only for Windows 10, and Windows 8, 7 will have this particular menu, but it will not look like this. It will have some other icons. So be sure you type it or go to the correct option. Now press your Windows key and then look for this particular ENV. If you type ENV, this particular thing should pop up. So press a Windows key and then type ENV. Okay. So I'm doing it for you. ENV. Okay. Sorry, I have typed the wrong words. ENV. And it will take you to this particular menu called Edit Environment Variables to your account. Okay. You have to click on this particular option. Now, those who are having old systems, they can go to the settings, and from the settings, they can look for this particular system properties. Okay, it will be vary for each and everyone. So you have to look for system properties into your settings. वहाँ पे कई search option होता है, and then you have to click on this environment variables. Okay. Now, those who are on Windows 10 will see exactly what I have shown here, but other systems, it might differ as per their color scheme and all. Okay. Next is we are all are installing the MinGW into the C drive directly. So you can directly copy this path C drive slash M capital I N G capital W capital slash bin. Okay, just copy this particular path where your gcc.exe exists. Okay. Now, those who are still installing MinGW or the earlier version of code blocks, they might not see this particular files here, but please copy this particular path and then click on edit environment variables. You will land up on this particular page. Okay. Now, there might be a path variable already existing over here. If not, you have to create new. If there is, like any other programming language you have installed into your PC, you might see a path variable. Now this user variable for it will not be Ninad in your screen. It could be something else. So choose this particular path. Okay. And then click on edit. Don't change anything on system variables. We want to change a user variable. So go to the path user variable, select that and click on edit. Once you click on edit, you should see this particular window saying edit environment variables. Once you click on this edit environment variables, you have to click on new, and then you have to paste this particular path which I have told you earlier, that is C drive slash capital MIN capital G capital W slash BIN bin. And once you do that, click OK, save whatever you are getting, OK, OK and OK. So a new with path variable will get added. Now, this is the same procedure whenever you install any other new programming language like Java, JDK, even your SDKs. Please add path variables. Even Python sometimes doesn't run properly if you don't do this process. So, all the variables you are running from a DOS base should get an environment variable into this path folder. So this is not only the procedure for MinGW, but for any other thing. And once you do that successfully, after opening code blocks, you will not get any error. And if you are getting error like GCC compiler not found, that means somewhere we have made a mistake in adding the system environment. So I will stop recording now, and if you have any doubts, you can ask.
So can you repeat the code?